Hi, this is Gordon Weichel, and I'm a business litigation attorney at Venn Law Group. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the key to successful litigation. This is the one thing that, if it is missing, will prevent you from achieving your goals and leave you and your lawyer frustrated, no matter how your dispute is resolved. The key to success is defining your goals and your definition of success. So, let's talk about defining your goals. Whether you're being sued or considering filing a lawsuit yourself, recognizing where you want to be at the end is the absolute key to getting there. Remember, your attorney is a powerful ally who can help you figure out those goals. Those goals could be as simple as recouping as much of a loss as possible, incurring the lowest additional cost to resolve a liability, or could resolve a more complex resolution. Defining your goals and communicating them is critical because while your attorney can evaluate the strength of your case and explain potential outcomes, we cannot advise you on what to do without knowing what you want, particularly if it's more complicated than aiming for a number of dollars. In a commercial context, success is frequently measured in more than just dollar figures. Success for you may mean regaining control of your business or your property, or it may mean redefining the boundaries of an existing business relationship. As the saying goes, good fences make good neighbors, and the same goes for business. Clearly defined boundaries make for healthy relationships. Knowing where you want to draw those lines going into your dispute allows your lawyer to be the one setting the baselines for negotiating the way out. You may also find you need to resort to litigation to get access to information to define where a problem in a relationship actually lies. A focus on the specific questions that you need answers is ultimately the best way to get the specific answers you need. And of course, none of this is free. There's a cost to each step along the way, and only you know how much you're willing to pay to achieve any of those goals. Your attorney can advise you on the likelihood of potential outcomes and the likely costs of getting there, giving you the information you need to make informed decisions in the litigation. All of this comes back to the basic premise, which is that every decision you make should be done in light of your definition of success. And without a clear goal to aim for, you are guaranteed to be dissatisfied with the results. When I started, I promised to give you the key to a successful litigation, but I never said it was a secret. This is the advice I would give any client of mine and to any opposing party, free of charge. I can also promise you this: following this advice will make you and your attorney happier and more satisfied with any litigation you find yourself involved in. To learn more about best practices and how we can assist you in meeting your legal goals, contact Venn Law Group today.